I've been asked to write a cause and effect essay, but I'm not really sure where to start. Could you explain what it is?
Sure, a cause and effect essay is a type of writing where you explore the reasons something happened, the cause, and the outcomes that followed, the effect. You want to show the connection between them.
So I need to explain why something happened and what happened because of it?
Exactly. Imagine you're telling a story that explains both the why and the what of a situation.
That makes sense. But how do I structure it? Should I talk about the causes first and then the effects?
Good question. You have two main structure options. In the first option, you discuss all the causes first and then the effects. In the second option, you can alternate, explaining one cause and its effect immediately after. Either approach works, but just be consistent.
Got it. And what about the thesis statement?
The thesis is crucial. Think of it as the guide for your reader, letting them know what the essay will cover. For example, if your topic is water pollution, a thesis could be, water pollution from human activities has far-reaching effects on marine life and public health.
Okay, I think I understand. Could we go over an example, maybe something like water pollution?
Certainly. Water pollution is a great topic because there are clear causes and serious effects. Let's break it down.
Okay.
Think about sources of pollution, like industrial waste. Factories often discharge chemicals and toxins into rivers and lakes. Another cause is agricultural runoff. When farmers use pesticides and fertilizers, these chemicals can wash into water bodies.
So industries and agriculture are major causes. What about the effects?
The effects are just as significant. For example, water pollution harms marine life. Fish and other aquatic creatures are often poisoned. On a larger scale, it impacts public health. Contaminated water can cause diseases like cholera and even affect local drinking water supplies.
That sounds terrible. And if I were writing an essay on this, I'd start by explaining each cause, right? Then I'd talk about the effects?
Exactly. You'd outline each main cause, like industrial waste or agricultural runoff, and then describe how these causes lead to specific effects, like harm to marine life and risks to human health. You can tie it all together in your conclusion by emphasizing the importance of addressing water pollution.
I took everything we discussed and tried to write a short essay. Could I read it to you?
Absolutely, I'd love to hear it. Go ahead.
What happens when the water we rely on becomes toxic? Water pollution is one of the most pressing environmental challenges, affecting ecosystems, public health, and local economies. This pollution resulting from human activities has far-reaching effects on marine life and public health. A significant cause of water pollution is industrial waste. Many factories release harmful chemicals such as heavy metals and toxic compounds directly into rivers and lakes. These pollutants can poison aquatic life and disrupt entire ecosystems, leading to the decline of fish populations and the death of plant species crucial for maintaining ecological balance. Another major cause is agricultural runoff. When farmers use pesticides and fertilizers to protect crops and boost growth, rainfall often washes these chemicals into nearby water bodies. The excessive presence of nutrients from fertilizers promotes algal blooms, which consume oxygen in the water, making it uninhabitable for other aquatic species. The effects of water pollution are equally alarming. Contaminated water affects marine organisms directly, leading to reproductive issues, mutations, and death in fish and amphibians. Additionally, these pollutants move up the food chain, ultimately affecting humans who consume contaminated seafood. Public health is also at risk due to polluted drinking water, which can spread diseases such as cholera, dysentery, and hepatitis. Furthermore, communities that rely on fishing for their livelihood face economic challenges due to declining fish stocks. Overall, water pollution is a multifaceted problem that harms the environment, public health, and local economies. Addressing this issue requires strong regulations on waste disposal and awareness programs to encourage sustainable farming practices, highlighting the need for collective action to preserve our vital water resources.
That was fantastic. You clearly explained each cause and effect, and your conclusion wrapped it all up perfectly. Well done. This is exactly how a cause and effect essay should be.
Thank you, I'm really glad I got it right.